I'm Lorelle Wuerz. I'm a nurse executive and a clinical leader with over 20 years of experience spanning bedside care and healthcare system leadership and industry. And most of my career I spent at New York Presbyterian Hospital in New York City, where I led quality and professional practice and operational initiatives across 11 hospitals. But most recently, I moved into industry and I work as a clinical success director with Beaveron Medical, where I partner with healthcare systems on clinical integration. And throughout my career, my focus has always been on building systems and promoting evidence-based practice that improves patient outcomes and supports frontline clinicians. I was drawn to vascular access early in my career because I saw firsthand how critical it was for patient safety, comfort, and outcomes. My very first nurse leader role was of an outpatient infusion center and an inpatient vascular access team. And a well-placed line, we figured out real quick, made the patient's entire experience better, and poorly managed one could really do real harm to our patients. And I became passionate about helping teams get it right the first time, using evidence and technology and innovations and collaboration to reduce complications and improve patient care. I pursued NEA-BC certification because I wanted to formally validate my experience and hold myself to the highest professional standard. And certification really for me represents a commitment for evidence-based practice and lifelong learning, and it strengthens my own credibility as a clinical leader and an educator. I continue to recertify because vascular access is constantly evolving and changing. Like everything else in healthcare, there's new evidence and new devices and new technology, and the new expectations really require that we stay current. So maintaining my NEA-BC keeps me grounded in best practices, and it ensures that my leadership and teaching are always informed by the latest standards. I began volunteering with VAC because I always believed in giving back to the profession that shaped my career. Education and certification were very influential to my own development, and I wanted to help strengthen that pathway for others. I formally joined the VAC board just this past January 2026, and motivated by a desire to support the organization's mission and help expand its impact nationally. On the board, I hope to help advance VAC's visibility, their credibility, and their reach. My background in system leadership and industry gives me a unique perspective on how certification can better be integrated into workforce development, professional advancement, and organizational strategy. And I'm especially passionate about supporting innovative education, strengthening partnerships, and ensuring that certification remains relevant and accessible. Outside of work, I like to stay active and I like to spend time with my friends and family and finding creative outlets. Before nurse, I was a musician, so I love anything to do with music. And I value any time that I can unplug, recharge, explore new places or experiences. And those moments really help me stay grounded and energized in both my personal and professional life.